Today's question is a typical question we get all the time when we have people calling in for a service job. We know people are very busy, they want to get back to work, or sometimes they just want to get back to their life, and they're concerned how long this job is going to take. A typical service job, depending if you're replacing a faucet, a toilet issue, it could vary. But most of the jobs take anywhere from an hour to 3 hours long. So always make sure you have like a 2 to 3 hour window for the job to be completed. Some of the jobs that take a little bit longer are like your water heater installations, just because sometimes we have to go to the supply house and get the specific water heater for your home. Most of the jobs that we do, we can do it right on site. I would say about 90% of the jobs are completed on site because we have all the tools and equipment to get the job done on site. This saves you a lot of time and gets the job done quickly so you can get on with your life. I hope this answered your question. If you guys have any other questions, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section below. If you like the video, please hit the like button. That really helps us out. Thank you and have a great day.